Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Google Play app and tapping your profile icon to access settings. Once there, go to Payments and Subscriptions and choose Payment Methods. This is where you add or edit options. Make sure your Google account, billing address, and country settings match the payment method you'll add, because mismatches cause declines. If you plan to use PayPal or carrier billing, have those credentials or your carrier details handy before continuing. Now add the actual payment method. Tap Add Payment Method and pick credit or debit card, PayPal, or carrier billing. You'll enter card number, expiry, and CVV, or sign into your PayPal account. For carrier billing, confirm your phone number. Once entered, double-check the billing address exactly as your bank shows it and tap Save. If you see verification prompts, follow them immediately. Banks often require a one-time authorization, or SMS code, to confirm ownership. Finish by returning to the Play Store and making a small purchase or subscribing to confirm the method works. This verifies authorization and stores the method for future use. Once done, go back to Payments and Subscriptions to view saved methods and set a default. If a charge is declined, make sure the billing address matches, the card hasn't expired, daily limits aren't exceeded, and 3D secure prompts are completed. Contact your bank or Google support only after checking those items.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.